Hello guys, so in this section we will learn how you can use a Windows WSL feature for using a Linux VM. Of course, there are some prerequisites for that. So first one is it should be Windows 10 or newer, and the second one is the virtualization should be enabled. So how you can find if your virtualization is enabled or disabled. So for that you need to go to your task manager. Okay, so I will open my task manager and I will go to my performance section. Then in the CPU section, you can see the virtualization is enabled. Suppose if you don't have virtualization enabled, you can search on web with your company's laptop or desktop how you can enable virtualization. So for some devices, it is F5 key while entering into the BIOS system while opening the laptop, and in some system it is F9. And the third and last prerequisite is the internet connection is required. So let's get started by setting up your WSL environment. For enabling WSL environment, you need to open command prompt as admin. Once you open, just type WSL hyphen hyphen install. It will enable a Windows called feature Windows subsystem for Linux, and then it will install and set up the VM. So let's wait for get it installed. Now the Windows subsystem for Linux was installed. It is trying to install the by default OS of Linux, which is Ubuntu. If you want to install a different flavor, I will let you know laterwards. Let me open my another command prompt window. So suppose if you want to check what are all your options you have, I will select WSL dash L option for long listing and dash O for online. So it will give me all the feature or all the flavors that I can install on my WSL. So how you can select any particular, suppose if I want to install Debian, how you can install that. So for that you need to type WSL hyphen hyphen install option D. Option means distro and then the flavor name. So Debian. I will not go ahead and install it because in my second window it's already processing. So once it gets installed, I will restart my laptop and come back to see if it is installed or not. Okay, now I will go to my command prompt and it's saying that my Ubuntu was installed, and in some laptop it will not ask you to restart your PC. In my case it didn't ask for restarting. I'm not sure if it will ask later. So let's go ahead and enter the new Unix username. So I will say DevOps DevOps guy. Now it will ask for a password. I will give any password. I will give DevOps guy 1 2 3 4 exclamation mark. So this is a feature of the Linux. So once you will install or enter the password for Linux, so it will not show you how many characters you are entering. So no need to worry, it's entering your password. Once you done with your password, you can enter, then you have to retype it again. And I will type my password. Again, I will type my password. Password was updated successfully and installation was done. Now I am inside my VM. So let me go back. So I'm in my home folder. I will type. Let me go back one folder more down. So I'm in my root folder. So once I will type ls, so you can see it's all of my folder are there. So yeah, well done. You have successfully set up your Linux VM by using a Windows feature called Windows Subsystem for Linux. So let's exit this. You have exit this, you have exit this. Now how you can open your VM? For opening the VM, you just need to go to your start menu, type Ubuntu. Here you can see as app and open it. So you will be enter. So suppose how you can, so we will discuss what is sudo, but suppose if you want to run sudo, so it will ask for my password. If I will enter my password, I am logged in as super user. Okay, so that's it for this video. So in the next video, we will set up our virtual box and try to install Ubuntu on the virtual environment. So thank you all.